Bring my bag because we're gonna buy a bag.
No, I didn't bring because I forgot it. So I said, oh shoot, you can just buy one.
Yeah, we just gonna buy one.
Okay, technically, okay, we can do that too. See, there's so many stores. Is that a Pop-Mart? Look, what is that? Oh, they have all you can eat Korean barbecue. Usually they dip fish cakes in there. Good. Is there cheese in there?
I haven't gotten to that part yet.
Oh, you didn't? No, yours probably don't have cheese. But it's probably, it looks hot right now. You like it? Rating. It's a potato corn dog. No light jackets. Your shirts look nice. It's like Uniqlo. It's called Escape.
What is half old olive chicken?
Olive chicken? The big old box of soda in the middle of the way. We are going to eat some fried chicken. So this is what you're looking for.
Did we
Sort
order
of like
too much? Not too much?
Oh, she's talking.
By yourself?
Oh, she thinks you're talking about the drink. I think we ordered too
about the
much.
food? Did we order too much food?
I think we ordered too much. It's a lot. It's a lot. Can we cancel one of them? Just cancel my spicy one.
Can we cancel something?
Oh, she said she drink a lot. By herself.
No, Nita was saying that alcohol too much. No, no, I drink by myself.
You want to try some? This is their, like their sake.
The cold second.
It's okay?
Yeah.
What's that for?
Drinking.
This is for growing up, honey.
Why do you have to put this hot?
Cái này giống như nước cầm rượu vậy đó. Rice.
I don't get it.
Look at that.
They have two extras.
You even got some shrimpy thing. This is spicy, so you can eat that.
Shrimp sandwich.
Make sure she has room for chicken. Do you remember where you bought it from? Oh, you were down here.
We walk here and then we just
You guys didn't go all the way to the end at all?
maybe this time we just make a round.
We are waiting to walk over to a ramen restaurant. David took a very long nap because I got him sick. We always get sick, but I got sick from someone else. I don't know, people have germs. So yeah, that happens every time, even Kauai. So we're gonna go get some soup.
Ramen.
Yep. Ooh, it's a bit chilly. Look at all these nice supercars behind us. So when you're staying here in Gangnam, there's supercars everywhere. I mean luxury cars, which is really nice. There's a Aston Martin here. And then there is a, what's that? A Bentley over here. Or Rolls Royce. My bad.
You can do that out later.
I mean, since we don't have a lot of plants now, besides like, let's say looking for gas, we could just literally just walk through the neighborhood because I don't think we've done that yet. Remember the other day when we were in Taiwan and we decided to walk around for a little bit and it was nice. Is there a walkway? Ah, good thing I got boots. I think it's gonna be on the right side, so let's stick to the... See, Claire, you need boots like this. So you step in the puddle, huh? Calorie bar, this one's nice. It's coming up. The one, like the guy's head right there. This guy. This guy. Look at the stone.
Oh, there's a head?
Yeah, remember the picture you showed me? Is there seating? This smells really good. Hello. Yeah, we can do that. You don't think so? Ooh, they have kimchi. They have kimchi. Oh, we just ordered this, even better. Look, Claire. So this is the menu, but it's not in English, so I guess we'll just have to go by like what it looks like. Napkin, spoon, add noodles. This is what we're using to translate. Oh, yeah, use this. Use your Google Translate. So much easier. Step 1, spicy. Step 2, spicy. Step 3, spicy shoyu. What do you want to do? Shoyu? Bless you. You want shoyu? David. You want shoyu? Level 1 spicy shoyu, second stage, or step 3? You want green onion? Okay, and then I also want spicy, and I want this. I think I'm okay on meat. Okay, and we are now we check out. Oh, you pay from here. Okay, it's the bottom. You didn't even drink. Wait, did you push your seat back or did you fall?
I thought somebody pranked me out there.
Dang, I should have been recording that whole time. That would be so funny. We got our beers. David is not supposed to be drinking, but oh, that's a lot of bubbles. So we got our ramen. We got the level 3 spice. There's chili oil too. And then the spoon has truffle and egg, and David got extra meat. And then we got some karage with the dipping sauce. And then I also got spicy with some truffle. And then the condiments, they give you chive kimchi and some pickle radish. Radish? Is that called?